How you all doing? Welcome back to my redemption on the Landfill, Nightmare Street. Something like that. And yes, as you can see, we're going backwards again. The coolant level kept dropping, so I had to take it all out, put a new seal on, put it all back, still leaking. So in the end I took it all out, went and found some other parts. This is what I have changed. Changed all these seals all over the place. And eventually the level's not dropping anymore. It was leaking out this joint here. Coming out the bottom down there, but it's perfectly dry at the moment. Well, it's been there for a good half an hour. It is leaking out the overflow, but that's just natural. It happens to everybody when they get older. So yeah, let me get that all back on the bike so we can get back to where we was last week. And here's me hoping this is going to be my last video on the nightmare on Landfill Street. Right then, back to where we was. That starts going down again. I'm going to smash this bike to little pieces. Right, so let's get the lawnmower petrol tank set up and see if we can start this thing up. Let's see if I'm one step closer to my redemption. Key on. Ignition. Right then, let's find all the bodywork and get this thing back together. I think there's some in this drawer. Yes. Here's the other four. In a bit of a state. There we go, all polished up. Right then, let's get the fuel tank and the bodywork back on. Right then, that's it, all done. Let's get it outside and see if it starts up again. Right then, so everything seems okay at the moment, touch wood. Let's go and book the MOT. Book the MOT, that's for Monday. It's now Tuesday, so we've got 6 days to wait for that. Okay then, this is a couple of days later. I didn't film it, but I have had the front wheel off because the front tyre kept going down. It was only holding air for an hour. So I've had to break all the bead on both sides, clean it all up. There was corrosion stuck to the side of the wall of the tyre. Painted what's left of this stuff on it. And now it seems to be holding air. At least it has done since last night. Right then, the day is finally here. And it's blowing a massive windstorm. Looks nice and bright at the minute. So anyway, wish me luck. Here goes nothing. Right then, let's do this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, well, it seems to be going all right. Petrol gauge isn't working and the temperature gauge is possessed. Oh yeah. And the bike has broke down. Right then, did it pass? What a day for an MOT. Oh. What's your name? So, where was I? Did it pass? Yes, it passed. Finally got the CBR1000F landfill bike on the road. But it don't feel too bad. All the gears work nice and smooth. All the brakes work nice and smooth. And all the weather is not nice and smooth. It's fucking horrible. Cool, here we are, home safe and sound. I'm drowned like a rat. So there we go, yes, another one. Done and dusted. And what a journey this one has been. So there's probably one video left on this of the long test ride. And then that'll be it. Book closed. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Stay well, stay safe, and on that note,
I'll see you in another life, brother.
I'll see you next time.